Good morning, everyone. This is Trader Chick. It's February 11, 2026 at 7:49 in the morning. Okay, nasa chart tayo ng Bitcoin weekly time frame. And if you're wondering why hindi nag-move yung candle, it's just moving sideways, consolidating. It's because it's trapped in between two major support and resistance level. Ang current price ng Bitcoin right now is trading approximately at 68,794. Okay? So, para malaman nyo kung nasan yung major support and resistance, Fibonacci retracement tool. From bear market bottom, this is approximately 15,200 to 300. And then, current top, 126,184. Approximate lang to. Weekly time frame to. So, nakikita nyo ito yung candle natin. It's right below the 0.5 level, 70,713. Approximately plus minus yan. Okay? So, ibig sabihin, major resistance level yan. Mag-zoom in tayo. Okay? Para malaman natin kung nasan ang major support. Okay? So, this is the major resistance. So, this is the swing high, swing low, another swing high, swing low. I-trace nyo ng Fibonacci from the top ng swing high hanggang sa swing low. Okay? And makikita nyo, ayan, major support niya is 0236. So, nag-stride in between the major support and resistance ang candle natin ngayon, kaya hindi siya maka-move on. Hindi niya alam kung akit siya or bababa siya. And when you open the 200 exponential moving average, major resistance ang 200 EMA because ang price ngayon is below. Nasa 68,800 right now. And yung resistance level na yan ng 200 EMA is approximately 68.7 approximately. Okay? So, kailangan nyo mag-antay ng breakdown or breakout within this level. Okay? So, kapag nag-breakdown yan, alam nyo na bababain, babalikan ng 59.7. Kapag nag-breakout, 74.3 ang target. Okay?